Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SMS verification flows using Twilio Verify detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify SMS verification flows using Twilio Verify, start by signing up for a Twilio account if you haven't already. After signing up, log in to your Twilio console. Navigate to the Verify section in the left-hand menu. Create a new verification service by clicking on Create Service. Enter a unique name for your verification service and save it. Once the service is created, take note of the service SID provided. Next, you will need to set up a phone number to send the SMS from. Go to the phone numbers section and either purchase a new number or use an existing one. Now, let's write the code for sending a verification code. Choose your preferred programming language and set up the Twilio library for that language. For JavaScript, install the Twilio SDK using npm with the command npm install Twilio. Import the Twilio library in your code. Create a new instance of the Twilio client by providing your account SID and auth token. Use the services method to call your verification service with the service SID. Now, initiate the verification process by using the verifications.create method. Pass in the recipient's phone number and the channel as SMS. Check the response to ensure the verification code was sent successfully. To verify the code, create another function in your code. Use the verificationchecks.create method to check the code entered by the user. Pass in the recipient's phone number and the user's input verification code. Evaluate the response to determine if the verification was successful. Implement error handling to manage failed verification attempts. Once verified, you may want to log the verification status or proceed with the next steps in your application. Ensure to test the entire flow thoroughly to confirm its reliability. With these steps, you'll be able to effectively verify SMS flows using Twilio Verify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.